Imagine waking up and finding out your Figma design made you money while you were fast asleep. Not from freelancing, not from clients, but from a single digital product that keeps selling even while you're offline. That's exactly what happened to a designer named Alex. In just 90 days, one simple UI kit brought in over 10-0 in passive income. Here's the truth. Most designers are stuck in the time for money trap. You work 30 hours, you get paid for 30 hours. Miss work, you miss income. But what if you could create once and sell forever? That's where Figma stock products come in. UI kits, templates, icon packs, things that others want and are willing to pay for. Let's break down exactly how Alex pulled this off. Alex wasn't famous. No big YouTube channel, no viral tweet. Just a freelance designer who kept hearing clients ask for the same thing, a dashboard UI kit for startups. So he did this. He started by browsing the Figma community. He noticed that dashboard kits with clean, minimal styles were getting tons of likes and forks. He also searched on Gumroad and UI8 and realized that startup dashboards were in high demand, but not always well designed. He spent 3 weekends building a smart UI kit. Clean layout, reusable components, auto layout ready, light and dark modes. He focused on speed so buyers could drag and drop sections and move fast. But here's the kicker. He didn't just throw it online. He designed a professional preview image, wrote copy that sold benefits, and priced it at $24. He uploaded to Gumroad, UI8, and later, Etsy. Then, he went to sleep. In the first week, nothing. Then, on day 9, cha-ching. First sale, 24. By the end of month 1, 32 sales, 768 in revenue. Month 2, a Reddit post about UI kits linked to his Gumroad. Sales jumped to 950. By the end of month 3, he passed 10-0 in total. Here's how you can copy his system, even if you're a beginner. First, find a pain point. Look for Figma designs people already want, like dashboards, landing pages, app wireframes. Use Figma Community, Reddit, and search keywords like free UI kit. Second, design smart. Don't overcomplicate. Use grids, auto layout, components, and include variants. Make it clean and export ready. Third, package like a product. Use Canva or Figma to make preview images. Title it well. Write benefit-driven descriptions, not just features. Fourth, upload to multiple platforms. Gumroad, UI8, Creative Market, Etsy, more exposure, more chances to sell. Fifth, share to niche communities. Alex posted on Indie Hackers, Reddit, Twitter using Figma template, designer Discord groups. Once the kit started selling, Alex added an upsell, dark mode version for 9, an email opt-in for future product drops, an affiliate link for his favorite design tools. He turned one 24 product into an ecosystem that makes money every month. Why did this work? Because buyers aren't just buying designs, they're buying speed, confidence, and done-for-you solutions. In 2025, remote teams and indie developers want to build fast, and they don't want to design from scratch. If you solve that pain, even with a 24 product, you can win. Want to copy Alex's exact strategy? Download our free starter kit, UI kit checklist, product description template, and a list of 10 platforms to sell your design, all linked in the description. Or drop a comment with the word Figma Hustle, and we'll DM you a guide. Design once, sell forever.